Hello, fifth grade students, and today is another exciting day of mathematics. That's right. Grab your reteaching 15.5, which is classifying quadrilaterals. That's right. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. Come along. All right, so if you look, there is another wonderful resource for you to use for this exercise as well as for the practice. Now, if you look at this, it starts at the very top with quadrilaterals, and it becomes more and more specific as you go down. So remember, quadrilaterals are any closed plane figure with four sides. And if you notice, all of these have four sides that are closed plane. So it fits the bill that all of these are quadrilaterals. Now, why is trapezoid off to the side? Because it only has one pair of parallel lines. Parallelograms, rectangles, rhombuses, and squares all have two pair of parallel lines, opposite equal angles. Waha. Now, parallelogram, it splits off. Now, why is it split off? Because rectangles have right angles. Now, don't forget, rhombuses have four equal sides, as does a square. So, let's go through this. So, the first question is, all squares are rhombuses. Is that true or false? That's what you're writing down for 1 through 8. Well, yeah, that is true, because squares and rhombuses have four equal sides. They have opposite but equal side angles. So yeah, that is true. Every trapezoid is a rectangle. Well, I'm hoping you're able to see that very quickly, because the rectangle has two pair of parallel lines, whereas the trapezoid just has one pair. So that is false. Squares are special parallelograms. Well, yeah, because parallelograms have two pair of parallel lines, which squares do. They have opposite equal angles, which a square does. So yeah, this is true as well. All quadrilaterals are squares. No. What proves that to be false very quickly is the trapezoid. Remember, there are four equal sides, four 90-degree angles, right angles. There's only one pair of parallel lines with a trapezoid. A square has two pair of parallel lines, so that is false. All rhombuses are rectangles. Now, why is, let's look at this. So we have two pair of parallel lines, Now, what makes this false is because the rectangle has two pair of parallel and congruent sides, meaning this side here and here are the same length. They never meet. Rhombus, all four sides are the same measurement. The rectangle has two different lengths of sides, so that's why number 5 is false. Okay, number 6. Every trapezoid is a quadrilateral. Well, yeah, that would be true, because every trapezoid has to have four sides and it's a closed plane figure. Voila. So number 7, rhombuses are special parallelograms. So here's the rhombus, here's the parallelogram. So again, it has two pair of parallel lines, opposite equal angles, just like the parallelogram. So this is why this is true. And then all rectangles are quadrilaterals. Well, yeah, that's true. So rectangles have four sides, closed shape, closed plane figure. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's true. There it is for the reteach on 15.5 reteaching. So good luck with practice. Use that special, the special resource for the practice. See you tomorrow.